Okay, let's find the reflection of the point 9 comma negative 5 over both the x and the y-axis. So if I come out here, let's see, that's approximately 9, and then I'll go down to about here, which is negative 5. So that point right there seems to be about 9 comma negative 5. Now remember, the horizontal axis is called the x and the vertical axis is called the y. So if we want to try to figure out what the coordinates are after a reflection, let's take, first of all, this blue point and reflect it over the x-axis, which would move it up here into what we call quadrant 1. So notice that that point has exactly the same x-coordinate, which is 9, but its y-coordinate has been changed to, instead of going downward motion, it's now going into an upward motion. So the reflection over the x-axis would yield 9 comma 5. Similarly, let's take the point 9 negative 5 and reflect it over the y-axis. Now it's going to come way over here, right? Because we have to reflect over the y-axis. So in this circumstance, what happened? Well, the x-coordinate is no longer in the positive. It's not positive 9, it's now negative 9. But notice that the y-coordinate, since it's still along the same height here, that would still be a y-coordinate of negative 5. So in short, when you reflect over the x-axis, you keep the x the same and you take the opposite of the y. And when you reflect over the y-axis, you keep the y the same and you take the opposite of your x. So why don't you pause the video and try this problem on your own. Assuming you paused and tried this on your own, let's do it together and see if you got the right answers. Left 3, up 2, there's our initial point, negative 3 comma positive 2. As a reflection over the x-axis, we're going to come down here, which puts us at same x-coordinate, opposite y-coordinate. As far as reflecting over the y-axis, we're going to take that point and move it over to here, which yields the opposite x-coordinate, but the exact same y-coordinate. So did you get those exact same values?